During repair of my gearbox, I found that coolant flange, the coolant was dripping from the flange. So I decide this is its part number. I decide to replace it. The problem was with the O-ring, which is inside. It became hard with the time. So I found the alternative manufacturer Febi, which produces exactly the same flange. Original Febi number, it's here it is, and the Febi number, this one. The flange looks absolutely identical, so I'm gonna replace it now. I drain the coolant directly from the hose, which is connected to the flange. The hose is okay, so it's soft. I don't think there is no problem. So now I'm gonna install the new Febi flange.